Today we are going to take a look at the Teclast D-pad tablet PC. It's the X98 Pro model, which comes with Intel CPU and Intel HD graphics. It also has 4 GB of RAM, and it has 2 operating systems. It has Android 5.1 and also Windows 10, which makes it a very interesting solution to have both operating systems together. So this is the tablet. You have a rear camera here, speakers. It has a micro USB port, a headphones jack, a micro HDMI port, and power button, volume button, and an SD card slot. And let's see what accessories we get with it. So we get a small manual. Teclast D-pad. Seems to be only in Chinese. Let's see on the other side. Yes, it's only in Chinese. And some warranty card probably. And a micro USB cable, an OTG cable to connect to various devices like USB sticks, mouses, keyboards, so on. USB charger, which has an output of 5 volts and 2.5 amps. We have some English manual here. And another user manual. And yet again something in Chinese. Oh, I'm going to power on the tablet now. So we get this menu where we can choose from an operating system. You can see we have Android and Windows. I'm gonna choose Android for the first time and OK. And here we go, it's on, and it's plain Android 5.1 that you are used to, only that it has a very big screen. I'm gonna increase the brightness. All the settings fit only one screen. Okay, I'm going to install some apps to see how it performs. I have installed AnTuTu Benchmark, 3D Mark, and Asphalt 8. I'm gonna try first the AnTuTu Benchmark. This needs to install some additional file first, and it's not compatible with this device, so we cannot run that. We'll go to 3D Mark and I'm gonna run Slingshot, which is rendered at a higher resolution than the screen and displayed scaled. Let's see how it goes. test is over, and we have a score here and a note that says good news. This is one of the most powerful devices around and everything seems to be working normally. So it does run the hardest test of 3D Mark, and we get a notification that it did well. Well, we'll see about that. Let's see some more real life tests like the Asphalt 8 game. Let's see how it goes, how it moves. The image is very fluid. It's very smooth, very easy to control. Well, I'm not very good at this game, but it's a good benchmark, as the game needs a lot of resources to be available, and this tablet has some serious resources. It has 4 GB of RAM, it has Intel CPU, so it should handle this fine, and it really does. I'm going to finish the race. Maybe I'm going to win it, or maybe not. We'll see about that. Anyway, I'm starting to learn the first level of this game as I test it. It has become a habit of using this level on various phones and tablets as a benchmark tool. Let's see how YouTube does on this tablet. I'm going to select a video which was natively done in 4K. It was done by me, so I know its source. Let's see the maximum available resolution. So you can see it's already selected. It's 1440p resolution, and it looks wonderful. It's an aerial video done with the Phantom 3. And let's see further. This is over wireless connection, and I'm not very close to the router, so it takes a bit to buffer, but after that it's okay. There's no shuttering, there's no lag, so it runs perfect, as you can see. Alright, let's see what else we can test on this. Let's open a browser. Oh, it loads with the company's website, which is in Korean by their domain name. Let's load something funny. So 9gag opens almost instantly and loads animations very fast, no problem here, and it's with the original browser. It does work nicely. Let's see what else we have here on the gallery. Well, we get some presentation videos already uploaded from the factory. Okay, we have some marketing photos. You can see it has great response time. Alright, now let's check the camera settings. I'm going to select camera and I want to see the settings. So resolution and quality. The back camera has almost 5 megapixels, actually it's 4.9. The front camera has 2 megapixels, which is 1.9 megapixels. The back camera can record the video up to Full HD, and the front camera it's HD only, it's 720p. So it's decent for a tablet. You don't go on a street to film with it, but you can use it on Skype and others will see you pretty sharp. So we kind of cover the camera. Let's see the Windows side of the tablet. When you are on Android, you do not need to turn off the tablet and turn it on back again to put into Windows. You have a shortcut here, put Windows, and I'm going to select yes. Also, you can keep the power button pressed a few seconds, and you will also get the option to boot to Windows if you want to. Let's see how it goes. And now we are on Windows, right there. I'm gonna zoom out a bit. Okay, so I'm going to select English. Can I skip it? Yes, I can. Going to connect to the wireless. Use Express settings. Just gonna do a quick tour. I'm not a fan of Windows 10. I'm not a fan at all of it. As you can see, we are on Windows territory. On Android you can start to use it in 1 minute. On Windows you need to make it yours, you need to apply updates, you need to restart the tablet, and it's still not accessible. So I do not want to create an account. I'm going to skip this. And next, who's going to use your PC? My dog. Alright, now the screen is upside down. I find it absolutely normal. And this won't take long. Well, that's incredible. It has started eventually. So we are on Windows 10, and you know the interface, some like it, I don't. As you can see, it's very familiar once you enter a file explorer mode, and you know the operations. Now I'm unpacking an archive with 3D Mark to run it on Windows to see how it performs, and we'll do some similar tests like we did on Android to see how the tablet goes in Windows. 3D Mark is installed. I'm going to choose the same test I did on Android, which is Cloud Gate. Let's see if it runs, and if it does, what score we can get. Something didn't go as planned, let's see, and we get an unknown error, so the test failed. It's not fully compatible with the device or driver. That's understandable. Alright, maybe we'll try it some other time or other test. Let's see the built-in browser, Microsoft Edge or Microsoft Internet Explorer or Microsoft Spartan or whatever. Let's see if we can watch YouTube with it. Seems to load, but slow. I'm gonna try to open the same video. So here's the video. Let's see what resolutions we get. This is awkward, not very responsive for a browser, and it has selected 480p, but it shows me that it can run up to 4K. That's interesting. I'm going to select 4K and play, and I'm gonna make it full screen. It does run, and it looks good, I can say. But normally for 4K it takes a lot of time to load, and this is over Wi-Fi connection. It does work. Okay, let's see a lower resolution if it's more happy to go. 1440p, like we did on Android. So if I play, and let's skip and play, it's faster, as you can see. So YouTube in browser does work. Let's see if we have some photos on media gallery or something like that, like on Android. No, we do not have. It seems that users My Dog does not have any pictures. Shame of My Dog that did not make a selfie of him. So no pictures. Let's see settings, simplified menu, system. So we can set up display, notifications, apps, multitasking, tablet mode, a battery saver, power and sleep, storage, offline maps, default apps, okay, devices, network, accounts, privacy, Windows Update and security. Have have Windows Defender, you have an option to create backups, you can reset, activate Windows, and so on. So that's the Windows from the tablet. Now let's see if we have a shortcut here to switch back to Android. There's nothing here visible, but if we close this, there was a shortcut there, but it's glorified interface. If I push the power button, I can slide to shut down my PC, and if I turn the tablet back on, I can choose to start the Android. So this is the tablet. It runs very good on Android. It has great performance. It has a very good configuration, but on Windows 10 it's Windows 10 and it's not very great, but it does run it. So if you need office tools or something like that, you have the best of both worlds in just one small tablet.